Bonjour tout le monde. Hello everyone. Mayong hapon sa taga Butuan City. Uh, Proud Bisaya here. I grew up in Mindanao. And welcome to my channel, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And in this video, I would like to share it to you what my experience of processing my permanent residency here in Canada. Basically, I came here as a tourist with an American passport, and I was able to come here without any visa because of my American passport. My boyfriend invited me here to stay with him for a few months and see how we live together and how we get along and how our relationship goes. But so far, so good. So thank God it works. And now I will tell you how to process the permanent residency inside Canada. First, what I did first was I went to the website of the Immigration Canada, and it's www.cic.gc.ca, and all the things that you want to know of how to process it, it's on the website. Actually, I did it by myself because the website was very helpful, and it's explained very well on how to process your permanent residency on the website. So first thing I did was I went to the website, I downloaded all the forms, and I checked what forms that I had to fill out, and I printed it and I filled it out, and that's it. And then the one thing also is you can pay your application fee through their website. It's basically it's so amazing that this technology is really working. Like it everything now is on the net. So it's for me no it's really a lot easier to do that. And after I filled out all the forms, I sent it to the address that I have to be sent, because every application has different addresses that has to be sent. After I sent all the papers to the immigration, I waited for a few months, and then they sent me an email that my application has been approved. So all you have to do is wait, and they will tell you what to do next. So I waited at least a year, because after that I have to, because the immigration Canada has to forward all your paperwork to Immigration Quebec. Since we are living in the province of Quebec, we have to do the Immigration Quebec. So I have to download it all the forms again from the Immigration of Quebec and send it to them, and then wait for further instructions, and and basically that's it. So once I received the approval from the Immigration Quebec, they send me a CSQ paper. It's a special paper from Quebec, and that's it. And I waited another few months, and then they sent me a letter that I have to undergo a medical checkup. And oh, one thing also, guys, about the requirements of the immigration is you have to do your birth certificate, your if you have a marriage contract, you can do that. But us, me and Rock, we had to fill out the paper to prove that we are living together physically as a common law. So that's all that we have to do. They have a special. You can able to do that. You can secure a paper like that you are living together to prove it, and also that there's a paper also that is gonna And one thing also is really hard to buy your birth certificate. Me, because I was living in the States for some years, I had to write my FBI, NBI, and all that kind of paperwork. But it's really depends from cases to cases. It really depends about the situation, and it really depends the immigration or later on what kind of paper they're gonna ask from you, because you really never know. It's really different, but I'm just sharing with you what I have experienced and what I have done to process my permanent residency. And I'm really hoping that this video could give someone a help a little bit. I'm really willing, if you have any questions, just comment down below and I will answer it. And that's it. After I have my medical examination, after 1 month and a half, they sent me a letter that I had to come down to Montreal to finalize my permanent residency. So it was not really that complicated. I don't want to. I want to encourage people that, especially to Filipinas that married to foreigners, that there's nothing really to worry about processing your papers and stuff like that. Just have to try to do it by yourself, because it's it's one thing also for learning how you do it. I'm really like some in a way I'm kind of proud of myself because I did it by myself. Like people would ask me like, you did it by yourself? Yeah, like I'm really proud of it. And now we have a friend that just got married to a Filipina last year, and he is our neighbor here. It's not really he lives in another town, and he asked me to help him on how to process his spousal visa. So we have been gathering all the paperwork for about 6 months, because it takes time for his wife to send his her paper. It takes time to send the paper from Philippines to Canada. So finally yesterday, I received the papers from his wife, and he got all the signatures. So we were able to send all uh, the papers today. So I was really hoping that this would really work out, and I'm really hoping that uh, they will get approved by the immigration there. So we will keep you posted with that, because this is my first time to process a visa, a spousal visa, outside Canada. So we'll see what's going. I will keep you posted with that and see how it goes.